It's now time for Section 1. Teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Little Bay Primary won and decided to send Solid Base Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Solid Base Prep, Bible knowledge. In the parable of the 10 virgins, how many of them were foolish?
Five.
Correct. Little Bay, Bible knowledge. In the parable of the 10 virgins, at what time did the bridegroom arrive?
In the morning.
Incorrect. Midnight. Solid Base, international affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
India.
Correct. Little Bay, international affairs, a visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
France.
Correct. Solid Base, science. What is the name for the ability to cause change or do work?
Energy.
Correct. Little Bay, science. What is the name for the distance traveled by an object in a given amount of time?
Work. Just work.
Incorrect. Speed or velocity. Television, a visual question. Solid Base. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Zendaya Coleman.
Incorrect. Yara Shahidi. Television, a visual question. Little Bay. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Queen Latifah.
Please speak up. Incorrect. Page heard. English language. Solid Base. Form an adjective from the word rely.
Reliable.
Correct. Little Bay, English language, form an adjective from the word protect.
Protection. Protective.
Correct. Solid Base, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shakara Richardson.
Incorrect. Jamaican athlete Akira Nugent. Sports, a visual question. Little Bay, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sharika Jackson.
Incorrect. U.S. athlete Kendra Harrison. General knowledge. Solid Base. In what year did St. Lucia gain independence?
1979.
Correct. General knowledge. Little Bay. Which two Caribbean countries gained independence from the British in 1966?
Belize and Guyana.
Incorrect. Barbados and Guyana. Social studies. Solid Base. In which parish in Jamaica is the Negril River?
Westmoreland.
Correct. Little Bay. Social studies. In which parish in Jamaica is the Montego River?
St. James.
Correct. Solid Base. Music. The singer Celine Dion was born in which country?
America. No, Canada.
Correct. Little Bay. Music. In which country was the singer Adele born?
America.
Incorrect. England. Mathematics. Solid Base. What is the product of 5.009 and 1,000?
5,009.
Correct. Mathematics. Little Bay. What is the product of 0.0387 and 10,000?
3,870.
Incorrect. 387. Jamaican affairs. Solid Base. What is the full name of the ministry headed by the Honorable Aubin Hill in the cabinet?
Minister of Investment.
Commercial.
Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce.
Correct. Little Bay. Jamaican affairs. What is the full name of the ministry headed by the Honorable Marlene Malahoo Fort in the cabinet?
Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs.
Correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Solid Base Prep on 9 and Little Bay Primary on 4. Now we head to a quick break, but before we do that, here's our Guardian Achiever tip. During study and homework time, discipline yourself to stay off your phone and avoid distractions from social media and text messages. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after this break.